Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone. How are your Filipino listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
May isang lalaking nagrereklamo tungkol sa mga produktong binili niya online. Ano ang kanyang ipapapalit? Opo, ito ang linya para sa customer service.
Mawalang galang lang. Kakarating lang ng mga pinamili ko pero hindi ito ang mga in-order ko.
Pasensya na po. Ano po ba ang mali sa mga naipadala sa inyo?
Ang in-order ko ay jacket na may 3 botones pero itong nakuha ko ay may 2 lang.
Ah, maling modelo po siguro yung naipadala. Pasensya na po talaga kayo. Papapalitan po namin agad kaya maaari niyo po bang ipadala sa amin ang freight collect?
Oo, at ang shirt na in-order ko ay iba sa nakita ko sa inyong website. Hindi ito ang inasahan ko kaya gusto ko rin sanang ibalik.
Ano po ang iba?
Ang akala ko, t-shirt ito na walang kolyar pero polo shirt pala ito na may kolyar.
Ah, naintindihan ko. Ginupit niyo na po ba ang tag?
Oo, pero hindi talaga ito kamukha ng nasa larawan. Pwede ko pa rin ba itong isauli?
Sir, mayroon po kami nito sa parehong may kolyar at wala. Ayon po sa aming datos, pinili po ninyo ang may kolyar.
Talaga? E di kung ganoon, mukhang mali pala ang napili kong damit.
Maari po kaming magpalit ng produkto hanggat nakakabit ang tag. Pero mahirap na pong gawin yun kapag natanggal na ang tag.
Ah, kung ganoon, maaari bang pakipalitan na lang ang jacket?
Sigurado po. Pasensya na po sa abala. Ano ang kanyang ipapapalit? May isang lalaking nagrereklamo tungkol sa mga produktong binili niya online. Ano ang kanyang ipapapalit? Opo, ito ang linya para sa customer service.
Mawalang galang lang. Kakarating lang ng mga pinamili ko pero hindi ito ang mga in-order ko.
Pasensya na po. Ano po ba ang mali sa mga naipadala sa inyo?
Ang in-order ko ay jacket na may 3 botones pero itong nakuha ko ay may 2 lang.
Ah, maling modelo po siguro yung naipadala. Pasensya na po talaga kayo. Papapalitan po namin agad kaya maaari niyo po bang ipadala sa amin ang freight collect?
Oo, at ang shirt na in-order ko ay iba sa nakita ko sa inyong website. Hindi ito ang inasahan ko kaya gusto ko rin sanang ibalik.
Ano po ang iba?
Ang akala ko, t-shirt ito na walang kolyar pero polo shirt pala ito na may kolyar.
Ah, naintindihan ko. Ginupit niyo na po ba ang tag?
Oo, pero hindi talaga ito kamukha ng nasa larawan. Pwede ko pa rin ba itong isauli?
Sir, mayroon po kami nito sa parehong may kolyar at wala. Ayon po sa aming datos, pinili po ninyo ang may kolyar.
Talaga? E di kung ganoon, mukhang mali pala ang napili kong damit.
Maari po kaming magpalit ng produkto hanggat nakakabit ang tag. Pero mahirap na pong gawin yun kapag natanggal na ang tag.
Ah, kung ganoon, maaari bang pakipalitan na lang ang jacket?
Sigurado po. Pasensya na po sa abala.
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Hi everybody, I'm Erica from FilipinoPod101.com. Do you know what monsters Filipino people are scared of? In this lesson, you'll learn about 3 scary monsters in the Philippines. Let's start with the most popular monster, manananggal. Ma-na-nang-gal. It means flying vampire. The manananggal is a flying vampire torso and head. This horrific vampire separates its upper body from the rest of his body at night. It then flies around to prey on the fetuses of pregnant women using its very long tongue. That sounds pretty scary, right? You might have heard about the next monster. The next one is Tiyanak. Tiyanak. It can be translated as evil baby in English. Tiyanak can be the offspring of a demon and the woman, or it can be the spirit of an aborted fetus seeking revenge. It lures people into the woods by crying like a baby. Okay, here's the last monster. Capre. Capre. Have you heard of this next one? This is the smoking giant. This monster is hairy and has a pair of red eyes. It is usually seen in big old trees and is not necessarily evil. However, it gets angry and vengeful when its tree is cut down. It also loves smoking cigars. Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we've learned. Listen to the names of each monster and repeat after me. Flying vampire. Manananggal. Manananggal. Evil baby. Tiyanak. Tiyanak. Smoking giant. Capre. Capre. Well done! In the Philippines, children sometimes dress up in scary monster costumes and attend parties during Halloween. Traditionally, from the evening of October 31st till November the 2nd, All Souls and All Saints Days are observed. Thousands of Filipinos visit cemeteries to pray at and clean the family graves and offer flowers, candles, and snacks. The atmosphere is festive and jovial, like a family reunion. And that's it! You just learned about 3 of the scariest monsters in the Philippines. Now learn Filipino twice as fast by downloading all your PDF cheat sheets, including survival phrases, pickup lines, business etiquette, and more. Check out the description below and go to filipinopod101.com now. I'll see you next time. Hanggang sa muli! It can be translated as evil baby in English. Because it's an evil baby.
Shy manananggal. Because I don't show myself to people. Ang hago. Tugong ka nga. Kakain nga. I can't see. So I just stand here. Oh God, wait, there's a tape on mine. Okay, go.
Hi everyone! Do you know how to say I love you in Filipino? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say it. Let's start with how to express your feelings to your loved one.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Or if you want to explain those butterflies in your stomach, you can say,
May gusto ako sa'yo. May gusto ako sa'yo. May gusto ako sa'yo.
and when you feel that I love you is not enough, you can say,
Hindi kayang ilarawan ng mga salita ang pag-ibig ko para sa iyo. Hindi kayang ilarawan ng mga salita ang pag-ibig ko para sa iyo. Hindi kayang ilarawan ng mga salita ang pag-ibig ko para sa iyo.
You just learned 3 different ways to say, I love you in Filipino. And if you're interested in learning more, don't forget to download your free Romance and Love cheat sheet, which includes romantic words, compliments, and pickup lines. Check out the description below and go to filipinopod101.com now. See you next time!
Hi everyone! Do you know the 1,000 most useful phrases in Filipino? In this lesson, you'll be able to know all of them, so sit back, relax, and have a cup of tea as you listen and learn.
Saan ba ang banyo?
Mawalang galang lang po.
Galing.
May reservation ako. Magkano to?
Ano ito?
Salamat!
Talaga?
Pwede niyo ba akong bigyan ng discount? Libre ba ang wifi?
Pwede ka naman kunyang, Bi? Meron ba kayong marirecommend? Pwede ko bang isukat ito?
You just learned the 1,000 most useful phrases in Filipino. And if you're interested in learning more, try learning the Core 2000 word list. With this, you'll understand 95% of the language, and best of all, this is not a joke. Check out the description below and go to filipinopod101.com now. See you next time.
Hi everyone! Kamusta? My name is Erica. Welcome to Filipino Top Words. For today's topic, we are going to talk about the top 25 phrases. Let's begin. Kamusta ka? Hello, how are you? The first phrase is kamusta ka? Hello or how are you? So when you're meeting someone for the first time, you try to be a bit more polite and say, instead of kamusta ka, you say kamusta po kayo, which is the same as hello, how are you? Magandang umaga. Good morning. So the next word is magandang umaga, which means good morning. People there are very, very warm, very kind. So it's very common to hear like people greeting each other when they pass by each other in the corridor and like in the classroom, for example, in the office. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Magandang tanghali. Good noon. So now what do we say when it's noon? We say magandang tanghali. Good noon. In the Philippines, especially during lunchtime, when you come in and then like it's everyone is eating, you always say magandang tanghali. And then when they hear you say it, you sound as if you're a native speaker. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. Okay, so when the morning is done, noon is over, then what do you say? Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. Magandang gabi. Good evening. So if you want to say good evening, you say magandang gabi. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? So what if you're going to ask someone for their name? So you say, anong pangalan mo? Or, what's your name? If you meet someone for the first time, if it's the morning, you say, good morning. What's your name? Magandang umaga. Anong pangalan mo? When you want to ask someone for their name, you need to be polite. So, you add po, which is the particle, and then you use the plural form of you. So you say, ano pong pangalan nyo? Ako si, I'm. If you are on the receiving end of that question, then you say, ako si, name. Or, I'm, name. Ako si Erica. I'm Erica. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. If you want to express now how happy you are to meet this new person, then you would say, ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Since this is the first time you're meeting this person, you should use the polite form, which is, ikinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. Ayos lang ako. Ikaw? I'm fine. And you? When someone asks you, how are you? Of course, either you are okay or you're not. You will say, you are fine. So how do you say it in Filipino? You would say, ayos lang ako. Ikaw. In English, I'm fine. And you? Or if you're not okay, you can say, ayos lang ako. Ikaw. Paki, please. So if you want to ask someone for a favor, what would you say? In English, we say please. In Filipino, we use a prefix that we say as paki. We add to another verb. So for example, we say, please bring this to the office. Then you will say in Filipino, pakidala ito sa opisina. Salamat, thank you. Salamat or thank you. Walang anuman. You're welcome. Then you also want to be polite and say you're welcome. Or in Filipino, walang anuman. Oo. Yes. How do you express agreement in Filipino? You say oo, which means yes. Very simple. For example, there's an older person talking to you and you want to say yes. You should be a bit more polite and say opo. Hindi. No. So what if you want to say no? Then you use hindi. Or if you want to be polite, you say hindi po. Sige. Okay. So say you have a friend who asks you, do you want to drink with me all night, have party all night, you know, those kind of things. And then you say, yeah, fine, okay. So in Filipino, you say, sige. Paumanhin. Excuse me. So for example, you have an older colleague at work and this person is busy, but you need to ask her for something. So you say, excuse me. And in Filipino, you say, paumanhin or paumanhin po, to be more polite. Patawad. I'm sorry. If you did something really, really bad, then we use patawad. I'm sorry. Anong oras na? What time is it? So what does anong oras na mean? It means, what time is it? Nasaan ang CR? Where is the restroom? Nasaan ang CR? Or, to be polite, because even at that time, you have to be polite, even if it's like really urgent. You have to be polite. You say, nasaan po ang CR? Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. If your boss asks you, oh, where is your office mate? This person? And then you don't know, then you say, hindi ko po alam. Sandali lang. Wait a moment. So if you say to your boss, because your boss is asking you, where is the report? You want to say, wait a moment. So you say, sandali lang po. So your friends came over to your house and you haven't taken a bath. You haven't fixed yourself. And then your friends just want to go out to have fun. But you want to say, wait a moment, wait a minute. Give me like an hour or something to at least get ready. So you would say, sandali lang. Magkano ito? How much is this? So you finally got dressed and then you went out with your friend and you are at the mall, like looking at some nice pearls, because in the Philippines we have lots of pearls. How will you ask the salesperson? So you can say, magkano po ito? Or if you're a friend, or if it's like a younger salesperson probably, you can just simply say, magkano ito? How much is this? Pwede bang makuha na ang bill? Could I get the check, please? After dinner, you want to pay because it's your treat, because you forced your friends to eat adobo. So you would ask the waitress or the waiter for the check. So how do you say it in Filipino? Pwede bang makuha ang bill? Could I get the check, please? Or, if you cannot remember all these, just simply do this. Tulong. Help. So you're walking in the street and then you're very not careful with your things. So you're walking, you're holding your bag like this, and someone stole your bag. Like, oh. you want to call for help. So what do you say? You say, tulong, help. And then the more you scream it, the more people will hear you. Hanggang sa muli. See you again soon. It's the end of the day, and you've had fun with your friends. So you tell your friends, oh, okay, bye. See you again soon. Which in Filipino is hanggang sa muli. But in regular conversations, you don't really say this. We tend to say, see you, or sige. That was the last word for today, and thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you learned new words. So what words have you heard? What words have you used before? Put them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to FilipinoPod101.com. Bye!
Hi guys, welcome to Filipino Top Words. I'm Ice and today's topic is 10 phrases you always want to hear. Ang ganda mo ngayon. You look great today. Okay, the first phrase is ang ganda mo ngayon. You look great today. This is kind of a double-edged sword because if you say you look great today, did they look not great yesterday? But still, it's nice to hear, I guess. Ganda mo ngayon. Makeup ka, no? Miss na kita. I miss you. Next phrase is, miss na kita. I miss you. If you're away and they say I miss you, then that's fine, I guess, because like, you're not together. But if someone says you and you've been hanging out like every day, that means something else. Like, you're there but not there kind of thing. So, see for yourself. So, if you want to say that I really miss you, then you just say, miss na kita. May bonus sa katapusan ng buwan. There'll be a bonus at the end of the month. Okay, the next phrase that you always want to hear is, may bonus sa katapusan ng buwan. There will be a bonus at the end of the month. Yeah, this one, you'd want to hear this. Especially if you're like, not good with the bills. Napakagaling mong magluto. You're an excellent cook. Napakagaling mong magluto. You're an excellent cook. If you know how to cook, unlike me, and you give your friends some of the things you cook, and they say this to you, then always want to hear that. Yeah. Magpahinga ka. Ako ang maglilinis ngayon. Take a break. I'll do the cleaning today. Magpahinga ka. Ako maglilinis ngayon. Take a break. I'll do the cleaning today. Oh, yeah. Like, because if you hear this, that would be very great as well. I need help with the cleaning. Tama ka. You were right. Okay, another thing you might want to hear is tama ka. Or you were right. Yeah, I guess you want to hear this when you're in an argument. Dinalhan kita ng isang special na bagay. I brought you something special. Next one is, dinalhan kita ng isang special na bagay. That means, I brought you something special. I want something special. Unlimited ang budget. The budget is unlimited. Next phrase you would want to hear is, unlimited ang budget. Or, the budget is unlimited. Definitely. If you want, like, a bunch of equipment, and they say to you, the budget is unlimited. Like, yeah! Ililibre kita. I'll treat you. Next one is, ililibre kita. Meaning, I'll treat you. Ah, so nice. Oh, many Filipinos love hearing this. So, like, if you want to make Filipino friends, make sure to say this. Yeah. Ang bait mo. You're kind. Ang bait mo. Meaning, you're kind. Sometimes it's nice to know that, like, your kindness is being appreciated. So, like, if someone says this to you, then you'll feel happy, I guess. If you want to convey that they're very kind, just repeat the adjective. So it's gonna be ang bait-bait mo. So that means you're very kind. Okay, and that's it for this topic. 10 phrases you always want to hear. And if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel somewhere. To learn more Filipino, please go to filipinopod101.com. And I'll see you next time. Salamat, thank you, paalam.
Hi everyone! Kamusta? My name is Erica, and welcome to Filipino Top Words. So our topic for today is 10 things to do in the summer in the Philippines. First word is magbiyahe sa ibang bansa. To travel abroad. The first word is magbiyahe sa ibang bansa, which means to travel abroad. Magbabiyahe ako sa ibang bansa pag may nakita akong murang plane ticket. I'll travel abroad when I find a cheap plane ticket. So my favorite place actually is El Nido. It's really, what do you call this? Like, it's very calm. The water is not cold, it's not warm, it's just perfect. So you will enjoy it. So start booking now. Mag-relax sa beach. To relax at the beach. Next we have mag-relax sa beach, which means to relax at the beach. Abril ang buwan na pinakamainam na mag-relax sa beach. April is the best month to relax on the beach. So actually for this month, it is now something like 30 to 40 degrees, and April and March are considered the hottest months in the country. Mag-aral ng Filipino gamit ang filipinopod101.com. To learn Filipino with filipinopod101.com. Mag-aral ng Filipino gamit ang filipinopod101.com, which means to learn Filipino with filipinopod101.com. So for example, if you really are very eager to learn Filipino this summer, you can say, subukan mong mag-aral ng Filipino gamit ang filipinopod101.com at kasama ang mga kaibigan mong Pilipino. Try learning Filipino using filipinopod101.com with your Filipino friends. Matutong magluto ng pagkaing Pilipino. To learn to cook Filipino food. Matutong magluto ng pagkaing Pilipino. To learn to cook Filipino food. So if you want to use it in a sentence, in Filipino, you can say, kung gusto mong matutong magluto ng pagkaing Pilipino, magsimula ka sa adobo. In English, you can say, if you want to learn to cook Filipino food, start with adobo because it's the easiest thing to cook. Mag-ihaw, to have a barbecue. Next word is mag-ihaw, which means to have a barbecue. Pinakamainam ang mag-ihaw ng manok sa beach. It is best to have a chicken barbecue on the beach. You can actually barbecue other stuff, like from chicken, pork, to innards. We even have a coagulated blood. Mag-party, magdamag. To party all night. Next word is mag-party, magdamag. To party all night. Huwag kang masyadong maglasing kung gusto mong mag-party, magdamag. Don't get drunk if you want to party all night. In the summer, it's best to party all night. And actually, in many, say, Boracay, if you go to Boracay, there are lots of parties all night with bonfire, lots of music, drinking. So, if you want to experience all of these, book a cheap ticket now and come to the Philippines. Mag-hiking. To go hiking. Mag-hiking. In English, to go hiking. For example, we can say, kung gusto mong mag-hiking, siguraduhin mo muna na kaya ng katawan mo. If you want to go hiking, make sure your body can handle it. So now it's very, what they call this, like a thing for young people to climb Mount Pulag, which is the third highest peak in the country. According to Google, it's in Nueva Vizcaya, which is in a bit north of Manila. Magsaya kasama ang mga kaibigan. To have fun with friends. magsaya kasama ang mga kaibigan. In English, to have fun with friends. Mas mainam pang magsaya kasama ang mga kaibigan kaysa mag-party magdamag. It's better to have fun with friends than to party all night. So much not funnier. But you can do anything that you want since it's summer. No one will judge you, it's summer. Dumalo ng summer school. To attend summer school. Next word is dumalo ng summer school. To attend summer school. So in Filipino, you can use it in a sentence like, kaysa sa maglaro ka lang ng computer sa bahay, mas mabuti pang dumalo ka na lang sa summer school. Instead of just playing computer games at home, it's better if you attend a summer school. Manatili sa bahay at mag-internet. To stay inside and browse the internet. Manatili sa bahay at mag-internet. To stay inside and browse the internet. For example, you can say in Filipino, pag tinatamad akong lumabas, nananatili lang ako sa bahay at nag-i-internet. When I'm too lazy to go out, I just stay at home and browse the internet. You put on nice clothes and then the moment you step out of the door, you just melt. So I kind of understand like how some people would want to just stay indoors during summer. And so what you can do is to browse the internet. Wow. And that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been 10 things to do in the summer in the Philippines. Will you be doing this summer? Where are you going? So if you have any other plans, if you have any plans to do anything that you want to do this summer, don't forget to comment them below and don't forget to subscribe. Salamat! Tara, biyahe tayo! Na.
Hi guys, welcome to Filipino Top Words with me, Ice. And today's topic is 20 words you'll need for the beach. Okay, the first word is shades. Shades actually means sunglasses because it shades your eyes from the sun. For example, pahiram naman ng shades mo. Can I borrow your sunglasses? Salamat! Okay, the next one is tabing dagat, meaning beach. Nakatira ako malapit sa tabing dagat. I live near the beach. I feel like it's peaceful and you could hear the waves crashing. Let's just hope that it's not a huge wave crashing into your house. Yeah, beach. Paglangoy, swimming. Ang paglangoy ay kayang matutunan ng lahat. Swimming is a skill that everyone can learn. I still have hope! Araw, meaning sun. Mas gusto ko ang araw kaysa sa buwan. I prefer the sun to the moon. Kabibe or seashell. Mahilig akong mangolekta ng kabibe. I enjoy collecting seashells. Why though? Swimsuit, which is definitely has the same meaning as swimsuit. Bawal ang hindi naka-swimsuit sa swimming pool na ito. Those who are not wearing swimsuits are not allowed in the swimming pool. I just come in with like t-shirt and shorts. I can't go in. Tagapagsagip, meaning lifeguard. We usually just call them lifeguards anyway. Huwag kang lalayo sa hindi tanaw ng tagapagsagip. Don't go far away beyond the watch of the lifeguard. Yeah, cause like if he can't see you drowning, he can't come and save you. Jet ski! I'm not even saying the meaning for this one. Cause you know what it is. Mayayaman lang ang nakakabili ng sariling jet ski. Only those who are rich can buy their own jet ski. Yeah, cause it's expensive and you don't need it for daily life. Okay, next is beach chair. Meaning, beach chair. For example, ayokong lumangoy kaya doon na lang ako sa may beach chair. I don't want to swim so I'll just stay by the beach chairs. Sandcastle, which means sandcastle. Hindi ko na-enjoy ang paggawa ng sandcastle nung ako ay bata pa dahil parati na lang itong inaalon ng tubig. I never enjoyed building sandcastles when I was young since it kept being washed away. Like, I never really built sandcastles when I was young. It's more of like, Let's bury someone in the sand. Yeah. And make like mermaid figures of them. Yeah, you get what I mean. Okay, the next one is palamigan, meaning cooler. This is kind of a straightforward. Lamig means cold or cool. And like if you put the prefix pa and the suffix an, it's gonna be like the place where. So it's like the place where cold. But actually, yeah, most people would just call it a coalman. Yeah, it's one of those brand names that became common names. For example, siguraduhin yung dalhin ang palamigan sa beach para masarap ang inumin. Make sure to bring the cooler on the beach so that our drinks would be thirst quenching. Cause like everywhere it's hot, so we like our drinks cold. A cooler is a must-have. Okay, next is laki ng tubig or tide. Usually in the Philippines, we just call it either high tide or low tide. But anyway, you could use it in the sample sentence. Hindi ako marunong tumingin ng pagpalit ng laki ng tubig. I don't know how to observe the change of tides. Guess if it's like low, it's low tide, and if it's high, it's high tide. There's this expression, if you ask Filipinos like, how many islands are there in the Philippines? They would ask you back, in high tide or low tide? Kulay balat, meaning tan. Bakit ang mga may kulay balat ay gustong magpaputi at ang mga maputi ay gustong magkakulay balat? Why is it that people with tan skin want to have pale skin and people with pale skin want to have tan skin? This is so true. Just be proud of your skin color. Next is snorkeling, meaning snorkeling. May magandang snorkeling spot sa Coron, Palawan. There is a nice snorkeling spot in Coron, Palawan. If you want to go to a beach in the Philippines, please go to Palawan because it's very beautiful. Chinelas or flip-flop. Hindi na kailangan magdala ng sapatos pag pupunta sa beach. Chinelas na lang. There is no need to bring shoes when going to the beach. Just wear flip-flops. Chinelas is part of like Filipino culture. It's like the footwear you use at home. It's also the footwear that parents might use if you're being naughty. Sunblock or sunscreen. Kailangan maglagay ng sunblock dahil hindi maganda sa katawan ang matinding sikat ng araw. It's necessary to put on sunscreen because the strong UV rays is not good for your skin. Yeah, this is very important because like the sun could be very damaging to your skin. Bikini, meaning bikini. Bihira lang ang nakabikini sa beach sa Pilipinas. It's quite rare for people to wear bikinis in the beaches in the Philippines. I never really tried to count who has bikinis and who has swimsuits and who has just t-shirts and shorts. Everyone is free. Beach volleyball, meaning beach volleyball. There's an easy one for you. Beach volleyball ang usong sport kapag tag-init. Beach volleyball is a trendy sport during the summer. Okay, the next word is puno ng niyog. Coconut tree. Noong bata kami, mahilig kaming umakyat sa puno ng niyog. When we were young, we liked to climb the coconut trees so that you get the coconuts. The next one is pamaypay, meaning fan. Gusto kong bumili ng pamaypay. I want to buy a fan. It's like, yeah, like if it's hot, you just need a fan. Or a lot of fans. We also use fans for barbecuing, so it's very popular during the summer. Okay, so that's it. That's the 20 words you'll need for the beach. And actually, if you know more words that you could use in the beach, just put them in the comments below. So, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more Filipino, please go to our site, filipinopod101.com. Thank you, salamat, and paalam.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.